You have been surviving on empty and still showing up for people. And the world has no idea. You carry your exhaustion quietly. You hide your pain behind a tired smile. You keep pushing, even when your heart feels heavy and your mind feels full. People call you strong because they see you moving, but they don't see the part where you do everything with a drained soul and a shaking spirit. You have been giving pieces of yourself away, even when you had nothing left to give. But hear me, you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to break. You are allowed to step back and choose yourself for once. Strength is not about doing everything alone. Sometimes strength is finally admitting you're tired.